Blma Electro-Hydraulic Numerical CNC Press Brake. This bending machine has been marketed for many years and is well known to customers. It has become the preferred bending machine product for an increasing number of customers. The 53T CNC system. Large buttons are easy to touch and operate. Schneider electrical components. Stable performance. Using multi-die for different thickness. Economic and convenient. Precision and stable back gauge system. The control method of pairing a motor with a screw rod transmission allows the bending machine to have faster speed, motion, higher precision, and lower noise. Blma CNC machine tools are committed to providing global customers with high-quality, high-efficiency machine tool equipment and solutions. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us.